Good evening friends. என் பேர் எழிலரசன் வெங்கடாச்சலம். நான் ஒரு தமிழ் வழி ஆங்கில ஆசிரியர். Now I am talking from Shepherd, Salem. ஸோ நான் நேசக்கரங்களில் ஒரு 25 ஞாயிற்றுக்கிழமை போய் இங்கிலீஷ் ட்ரைனிங் அங்கே இருக்க டீனேஜ் பாய்ஸ் அண்ட் கேர்ள்ஸ்க்கு எடுத்தேன். ஸோ அதை பற்றி நான் இங்கிலீஷில் சொல்ல போகிறேன். Good evening friends. I am Elilarsan Venkatachalam. I am an English trainer. I take online English classes to people in India and abroad. Today I am going to explain my experiences in teaching English to about 27 teenage girls and about 25 boys in Nesakarangal. It happened in 2010. So this was my first experience in teaching for a group. I ran an institute in which I used to take English training for 4 or 5 boys or girls of different age groups. But for teaching for a group, this was a big challenge. So for this, what I did is, I kept an entrance test, a simple entrance test. About 25 words will be given in English. The student or the entrant will have to write the Tamil meanings. My training is always bilingual. Iru moli paichi. So, out of the 27 girls, I corrected the papers and then put a rank order. In the rank order, first 9 girls alone, I marked as group A, and the remaining I marked as group B. So the group A, about 8 or 9 girls alone, I used to treat in a very elevated way, like a teachers. Okay, through them I taught English to about other 18 people or girls. Okay, so group A is the intelligent group and group B is comparatively duller group. So I will do notebook corrections only for these 8 or 9 girls, or the leaders I will call. At the back of the notebooks of each of the A group girls, I will write the names of 2 names of the girls from the B group. So the A group girl is responsible for notebook correction of these 2 B group girls. So likewise, my classes will be perfectly timed. I will be having a countdown timer. First I will take classes for A group and B group. Then suddenly I will ask the B group go have a break. Then I will take classes for A group alone. So it will be like a cinema shooting or rocket launching, I used to call. So sometimes to repeat, sometimes I'll be taking classes to A group alone, then sometimes I'll be taking classes to B group alone, and then sometimes to both of them. So I'll always ensure that the A group people take more interest and involvement to act as teachers to the group B. So when I ask a question, I will always suppress the A group people or girls to answer my questions. So it will be a tough thing. I will be working something like a ring master. So it was a very, very interesting experience taking classes to the orphans of Nesakarangal in 2010. First 2-3 weeks I took classes only for girls, teenage girls from 6th standard to college level. So then so taking classes for the boys was a different experience when compared with the girls. So from the 1st standard boys to the college level boys, it was a very big assorted group. So I just took an idea of their activity and then made a list of that activity and made the boys write it down and then repeat it. So I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning or 6 o'clock in the morning. I finish my morning duties. Then I go to the tea room to have my tea or snacks. Then I take bath. Then I dress up. Then I go to school. So when I go to school, when I tell that point to school or college, I'll ask the boys to run out of the hall till they go to sleep. I used to prepare a script. So I asked the boys to lie down and even snore like that. In YouTube, I have prepared a lot of videos for self-learning. Then I am also writing blogs for English self-learning. So if you just type Venkatachalam Salem English Trainer Blogspot, BLOGSPOT, so you'll get the text material in English and Tamil. Thank you.